Chelsea Mayton, I am 22 years old. I come from Leiden High School and I'm studying level 5 in product design. I came to Cardiff and Vale College because I knew that the teachers were friendly and they could help you if you needed it, and it was close to home so it was easy to get to. What I enjoy about my course is the interaction with the lecturers. If you need help, they can help you in detail. The workload they give us as well. They give us live projects, so it gives us a feel of when we leave the course. If you need some of the facilities, it's there for you when you need it. The college have helped me with my future career by introducing me to live projects with the Welsh National Opera, where they had to design a set design, and I was able to talk about my design in front of them. My highlight would be winning the opera design competition, and I was able to win a 3D printer. What's next for me would be entering a set design career, so hopefully working in theatre design, whether it be in Cardiff or elsewhere.